Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita. Today, we are gonna jump into a top rock routine. So I've taught several different top rocks on my channel already. Today, we're gonna put them together in a small, short little combo, but just so you can kind of see how they universally work. Yeah, it's nice to work on them individually, but then again, as you start to compile them, put them into your freestyle, and then also learn a cool routine, and then you can share and tag me on it. Would love to see the videos that you do and how you've put together this specific, series of top rock steps. Cool? Okay, so let's jump into it. First, the first step we're gonna do, in the first video I talked about two-step. This is a two-step, but we're gonna add a little variation to it. So you're gonna do, instead of just stepping forward, you're gonna do a little run forward. So you're gonna run forward. This is 1 and 2. So you, instead of just stepping out, little quick run. Ready? 7, 8, you go 1 and 2. All right? Now, with that, you probably see that my knees kind of twist in. That is how I would like your movement to be versus, running with your knees turned out. I would love your knees to be in and your feet kind of, see how I'm kind of kicking out my foot? I want your feet to swing out like this. Yeah, so that's a good little drill there. You're gonna start running on your right foot. 5, 6, 7, you go. 1 and 2, very nice. From there, you're gonna jump together. 3, step out on the other foot, 2-step, 4. All right, good. From here, that left foot is gonna pick up. You're gonna Spanish hustle to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Go back. That's your first 8 count. 5, 6, running to the front. You go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Yeah, so you drop that foot down on the and. Good. Finish to the other side. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. Very good. Jump together. 5, step across. 6, crossover. 7 and 8. Yes, okay, let's try it. So kind of switched up some 2 steps in there and your tempo a little bit too. 5, 6, 7, from the top you go. 1 and 2, 3, Spanish hustle side. 5, 6, 7, other side. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, jump together, over, kick, cross, over. Yeah? Those 2 8 counts. We already did Spanish hustle, we did 2-step, crossover, and I think that's it so far. Cool, there's a gallop in there as well, right? So one more time, those 2 8 counts, and then we'll add on just a little bit more. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, you go. Whoa, 1 and 2, 3, 4, Spanish hustle. 6, 7, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump together, cross out, a kick, and over. Yeah? All right, so those are the first 2 8 counts. Let's jump into the second 2 8 counts. So you just went 7 and 8. From here, you're going to twist, turn. Yeah, your feet are already there, so just turn around. 1, you're gonna clap. 2, we're gonna do the diamond step. So 2, you're gonna open out first. 3, both feet. Right foot's gonna jump back and come forward. 4, then do to the other side. 5, and left foot comes back, jump forward. 6, good, and then you're just gonna slide back. 7, 8. All right, that was your third 8 count. Let's just do that 8 count one more time. So you landed in the crossover. 7, 8, turn around. 1, 2, diamond step. 3 and 4, other side. 5 and 6, slide back, down. Very nice. Let's put it all together. 3 8 counts. All right, here we go. And 5, 6, running forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 2, 3, 4. Jump together, cross over. There you go. Turn around and diamond step, push back, drop. Very nice. Good. Last 8 count. Here, you drop down. Yep. From here, you're just gonna turn. This isn't an actual like top rock step, more transitional. You're gonna turn forward. I'm literally just doing a 3-step turn, getting my way back down. 1 and 2. So just turning down. My arms kind of swing through, you can see. So woo, ha, boom, boom, boom. Actually, let's go slower. I'm so sorry, that was too fast. 7, 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, better tempo, thank you. That was much better. 4, finish up Charlie Rock, traveling back, arms coming forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so you're just gonna groove back with that Charlie Rock starting on your right foot. So 7, 8. From here, you're gonna turn around. 1, 2, 3, clap. 4, Charlie Rock, arms coming through, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 4 8 counts, all top rock, all variations, all steps I've taught already, okay? Let's do that from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, you go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Spanish hustle to the side. 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4. Jump into step, cross over, turn around, and diamond step, slide back, turn it forward. Slowly turn it forward. Charlie Rock, back, 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 up. Very, very nice. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster. Keep the rock going. Make sure that your arms are moving. Follow my arms, follow my positions, all that kind of stuff. Cool? Let's try it again. Here we go. 5, 6, little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crossover, turn around. Diamond step, slide back, turn forward, and Charlie Rock, pull it back. Hey, very nice. Let's try that with some music. That was great. Good job learning the routine. Tag me, share. I would love to see your progress with your top rock steps, everything I've been showing you, and then starting to put it all together into a fun routine like that. Cool? Tag me, share, comment, subscribe, like, all of that. You already know. Have a wonderful day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.